Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. I want to do a quick video on copy and pasting and also cutting. And I'll explain real quick about how to do this. So, if you go in and here, let me go to the World Wide Web and just copy and paste some things. For instance, if I go in here and copy this right here, go to my Word document, hit.
Precision is the world you live in. Your ammunition is Hornady Match. ELD match bullets with heat shield tips deliver the highest degree of accuracy and consistency.
Okay, so uh, I copy by hitting Control C, and then I hit Control V. If you notice, it took the characteristics and it's uh, so what it did, it kept all the formatting. Okay, it merged formatting. So now I'll still have it on my pasteboard, right? If I right click and click here, keep text only, it'll paste it to whatever font I'm using or whatever properties or preferences I'm using, right? Now, so another way that you can copy and paste, if you're not good at remembering commands, so let's go in here and let's select uh, just this right here. I'm gonna select it by left clicking and then selecting what I want to copy. I can right click and copy, and this works with almost any program. Okay, and so does the Control C and Control V. So you can click on copy, go to your document or wherever you want to go. Remember, if you go in, you can hit Control V, or you can right click and you can paste it this way. Okay, so I picked that, the first one, but if you go in here and you right click and pick the second one, usually it'll come in with the text that it was copied, so it had the same text. So now another thing I want to show you is cut. Like for instance, you see this sentence? If I wanted to cut, in other words, I wanted to remove it out of there and put it somewhere else, you have two options. You can hit Control X and you can see it took it out of there, right? And let's hit Control V and that pasted it, right? Or you can right click and click in any one of those. I always use this one. So there's your copy and paste. Now, so you see, I copied and pasted a few items, right? Now, right now, I cannot go back and only paste this or go back and only paste this because I have my machine turned off a certain way where it does not remember my copy or yeah, my copy items. So I specifically turned it off so that I can show you how that works. So I believe you can. I think it'll remember something like 25, either 15 or 25. I'm not sure, but if you hit if you hit Window V instead of Control C, you're going to get this dialog box. If yours is not turned on, you're going to get this top dialog box. Now you can turn it on here, and so now it remembered the last thing that you copied. Okay, so now if I hit right now, if I hit Windows V, there's only one item there, right? But now that you have that thing turned on, then you can go in and, like for instance, I can hit Control C, go down here, and then hit Return, hit Control V. Okay, remember that's my second copy since I've rechanged my uh, my settings. Let me see. I'll go in here and copy this. Control C, and then hit Control V, and then I will copy and paste this one here. Control C, and then hit Control V. And let's go ahead and do some other things. Like for instance, let's go and draw a square. And let me change the format of it to fill to no fill. I'm going to turn it red. And then I'm going to change the size of the weight of the outline. And then I'm going to click on this, hit Control C, and then just paste it. Now, okay. I could also, let's go and let's copy and paste. Let me see if it let me copy um, the image. Yeah, copy image. Let's go to my Word document and let's hit Control V. Oops, it didn't copy that image. But anyway, you get the idea. But you can copy it. So now, I'm trying to get rid of that line there. Give me a second here. I'm just going to do this right here. I'm having trouble selecting that. I'm just going to let that go. So I'm going to create a new Word document. This time, instead of hitting Control V for paste or right clicking and hitting paste, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to hit Windows V, and it remembered everything that I had selected earlier. Okay, so now let's say I wanted this. All I got to do is click there, and it inserted it. And let's Windows V, and this time I want the box. Now this stuff will work in a lot of things. Like for instance, if I went into Microsoft, Office, Excel, since those two programs come from Office, then I could still do the same thing and hit Windows V, and it'll select that box, right? But if I go into my plain text uh, or other programs and I hit Windows V for paste and select that, you see it didn't do nothing because it does not recognize it. So you're pasting, uh, copy and paste is not going to work on everything, but if you had a picture you copy and pasted, you could put it in here. So let me see what else. That's basically what I wanted to show you. The thing I really like is the Windows V, and you can go in here and copy and paste this stuff. Now, another thing you can do is let's say when you shut it down, this is going to clear out. This will not be there anymore. Okay, but if you want this to stick without it disappearing, you can click right here. You can pin item. Okay, so now if I go and restart the machine, it doesn't matter because it's going to remember. So when I go to Windows V, it's going to be on my pin. You see how it's black? But I think that if you clear all, the only thing that's going to clear is everything except what you have pinned. You have to physically come in here and hit this delete button. so you can clear everything and not worry about clearing what I have pinned. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you on the next video.